Sounds of the verse.
Serious. Mic check, 1, 2, yeah. Sounds of the verse, yeah. Large up heavy trackers. Myself, major, yeah. Cool, mad thing. When I blow, I'll bring it like a trillion, man, cause I don't wanna flop like. See, I was really in Milli with Prez. Don't want smoke car, everybody dead. Jump on ninjas, don't ride peds. Still bun grade and we don't like feds. When I reload, they ain't getting no Z. Need new burners, not new friends. My team box like a R1 revs. Kill off Milli, get everybody chef. Man try diss me, but they're not big yet. Shout out Paps, cause he bust me on Dipset. Can't diss boss, man, hate you're a triplet. Big bombastic, know how the thing set. No photos, ain't getting no pictures. Don't like pagans, don't like stitches. Talk too much so you can't know my business. Went on trial, was mad for the witness. Look. Me and my guys don't clout chase. In OT, while the man then rave. Nights in the trap, man spent days. Back with a no belly on my face. With that work, gotta move that slate. Go link papes, then we get that papes. Mashallah, I'm doing okay. Are you gonna diss, man? What you gonna say? Choose get quiff, man get loud packs only, don't smoke cess. Bloodline pendant still on my chest. Still get roll money, still get checks. Out to my optics, still get X. Then out to my ex-class, still get neck. Love my bros, then things on deck. Me and my man, them don't half step. Them man ain't walked to no Stanley. Them man ain't walked to no Star Nines or no late nights, it ain't fancy. Them man ain't walked with the things I walk with God by my side. If I ever told my mother certain things I've done, I swear on my life she'd cry. Told my bro, if I ever die, can you give her a kiss goodbye? But until then, the title's mine. And my fam, that's bloodline. Them man ain't had no beef. I'm still waiting on comebacks. And them man ain't got buff chicks, still stuff food in their bum crack. Certain man can't come round here, them boys got banned from the bits. Certain gal get drunk every weekend, leave their mum with the kids. Certain man smoke so much food that they can't put food in the fridge. And certain man go lord of the mics and they walk off crying and shit. Pete, certain wanna try and do war dubs, ain't like who you trying to diss. Certain man think it's about them and you know what, it probably is. Certain man can't go on moves cause if they get caught they'll snitch. And if certain man got punched in the face, I swear they'll run to the pigs. Say, certain Russ is eating bacon, blood should I cut off his jets. Can't come around me and try and move like a pagan, shit must have got to his head. Cool, certain man wanna run up the mountain and then go run to the feds. If you want a certain man, I'm certain man, a certain man with a dead. Safe. Sounds of that. Major.
Sounds of the verse.